Hello everyone! These 3 chicken broth recipes are easy, delicious, and very healthy. You should learn these recipes before winter comes. For this recipe, cut 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, and 1 tomato as in the video, and peel 2 garlic cloves. Dry the chicken drumsticks. I don't recommend washing the chicken because washing chicken can spread dangerous bacteria around the kitchen. In a saucepan, add enough oil to cover the surface and fry the garlic and chicken front to back. You don't need to fry too much, the chicken will be cooked by boiling. It is a soup with many health benefits. Especially if you have a cold, you can use these soups as medicine. Then add the potatoes, carrots, and tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add enough water to cover and cook until the chicken is tender. It's cooked. After the chicken is cooked, cut it into pieces but not too small. If you cut it into too many small pieces, the meat will dry out and you will have difficulty eating it. However, if you want a tasty and not dry chicken broth soup, choose chicken drumsticks. By the way, I recommend you to watch the other 2 chicken broth recipes in this video. Blend the vegetables in the pot. Finally, you can add hot water according to the consistency. You can also add salt according to your taste. Add the chicken, boil for 5 more minutes, and remove from the stove. Add the chopped parsley to the soup and stir. Of course, parsley is optional. You can leave it out if you don't want it. I wish you happy and healthy days with your family, and be sure to share this recipe with your family and loved ones. Add hot chili pepper and lemon juice to add flavor and for your health. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal and don't miss the second video. Ingredients for the second recipe: chicken, flour, a little oil, butter, salt, and water. First of all, dry the chicken. Add oil to the pan and fry the chicken from front to back. In fact, chicken is cooked with the steps in the first video, and different ingredients and techniques are used to create different and delicious soups. You will see that it is very easy when you make it. Add enough water and cover. In the meantime, there will be water loss. You can add hot water later. Do not neglect to remove the foam on the water. When it boils, add a little salt, cover the pot, and cook until the chickens are soft. Now that the chickens are cooked, put them on a plate and shred them into small pieces with your hands or a fork. Do not make them too small so that the chicken does not dry out too much. Add the chicken back to the broth and turn the heat down. On the other hand, add oil and 1/2 tablespoon butter to a small saucepan to add density to the chicken broth. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour and roast over low heat until the color changes. And add chicken broth little by little to the roasted flour as in the video. Don't panic, it will solidify at first, but then it will dissolve and turn into cream as you stir it. Add the chicken broth carefully each time, and when the consistency is like in the video, it is done. Add the sauce to the chicken broth, and you can add hot water according to the consistency and density. Boil for 5 more minutes in this way, and the soup will be ready. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. By the way, lemon juice and red pepper flakes also go very well with these soups. I recommend you to watch the 3rd chicken broth soup recipe in this video. Loading the 3rd chicken broth soup. Third chicken broth soup is also one of my favorites, both easy and very delicious. Be sure to watch the video to the end. In order not to prolong the videos, first cook the chicken as in the other videos and cut it into small pieces. For this recipe, you will use 2 carrots, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 pinch of parsley. Grate the carrots, Cut the onions into small pieces, grate the garlic cloves, and finally cut the parsley and set aside. Parsley will be added after the soup is cooked. By the way, I hope you are well. I need your valuable ideas to make the videos better. In fact, if you have any recipes you want, let me know in the comments and I will try to make them. Thanks in advance. Add a little oil to the pot. Fry the onion and garlic with a little salt. If you add a little salt to the onion and roast it with the salt, the onion will cook faster. Then add the carrots and fry together until they change color and become soft. When the carrots have this color, you can now combine them with the other soup ingredients. Add the chicken broth, chicken pieces, and vermicelli and cook over low heat until the vermicelli is soft. The vermicelli is done. Now you can remove it from the stove. In the meantime, you can add hot water according to the water of the soup. Add the parsley to the soup, stir, and pour into a serving bowl. I recommend adding the roasted butter. It is very delicious like this. Then enjoy with your favorite spices and lemon juice. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the videos. I wish you all healthy and happy days. See you next videos.